squat tutorial against the wall using the butt kiss strategy. So you're going to stand all the way up nice and straight, squeeze your bum, straighten the knees, yep, and then you're going to slowly come back. You're about a human foot distance away from the wall, there you go, and then try and come straight back up with it rather than translating the weight forward. Come back, touch bum, but don't fall against if possible.
Yeah, try not to fall.
That's it. Yep. You have the band around your knees, so you're kind of doing cowboy style as you push out against the band as you descend. Yep. Yeah, so good knee mechanics. The knee's not, if we dropped a plumb line from the front of the knee down, we'd see it right at the lace or so, but not too far forward.
I can feel a lot of heat just holding it here.
Sure, isometric squats are great for building the quad muscle and being kind to the joint. Good symmetrical weight bearing, coming down, good separation against band, flat foot. Nice job, yep. And then pushing back up and out of it.
God, you hear all those?
Okay, now with the addition of the weight, right, so that can act as a counterbalance, making it easier to sit back into it. There you go, touch bum without resting. Yep, keeping force through your feet, very good. Yeah, that's pretty good depth. You're about a 70 degree, almost 80 degree knee bend. Really owning it at the bottom. Yeah, good stuff.